Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Lora, and today I'm doing an unboxing of a giveaway prize that I won from AYSHA'S Handmade Items. Now, if you haven't checked out her channel, I will go ahead and link it down below. She's an awesome crocheter, and she's a wonderful supporter in this community. And I happened to win her giveaway the other day, and I went to my PO box, and here it is. So let's open it up and see what I won. I'm so excited. It's rare that I win giveaways, so I was really excited that she pulled my name, and I actually ended up going into the chat, into her chat, and everyone was saying, congratulations, Laura, and I hadn't announced my arrival yet, and I was like, what's going on? And then all of a sudden, I found out that I won this prize. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just stick my hand in here and see what we've got. Ooh, I'm excited. Let me make sure I'm not missing anything here. Okay. So it looks like there's a little bag here, a little notions pouch. This is super cute. It's got little flowers over the top, and you can stick it into a binder, a little pencil pouch kind of thing. This is super cute. Love it. And, oh, I love this. Purple is one of my favorite colors, if you haven't already noticed. And this is some gradient wool yarn. And this is very pretty. Look at that. Nice little small size. Love it. I've got 2 of those, so I should be able to make something nice. And then a nice little notebook, Faith Over Fear, it says. And it's got cute little pages on the inside. Love this. I like to carry these around with me in my project bag so I can write down any notes and stuff. And then there's a pretty little pink pen. Love it. Thank you, AYSHA. And let's see here. And magnetic bookmarks. These are super cute, and these are all different. And they say, trust in the Lord, let your light shine. I am with you always. These are so pretty. Thank you so much. And then I got a pattern for a crocheted slanted shell scarf. How perfect is that? So thank you so much, AYSHA. I love my stuff. This yarn is gorgeous, and I love all these other little goodies that you enclosed too. So I appreciate it a lot. And make sure that you go check out AYSHA'S channel, AYSHA'S Handmade Items. So with that being said, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And don't forget, I do go live every Tuesday and Friday at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. Talk to you soon. Bye. If you like diamond painting, make sure you check out my other channel, Diamond Painting with Lora.